What's up, IT ninjas? Today we're going to take a look at fixing an error with SonicWall NetExtender where it says SonicWall NetExtender Service does not respond. Please restart your system or contact IT for support. But before we dive in, hit the like and subscribe button if you have not done so yet. Just takes a second. It really helps out the channel. Did a quick search and there appears to be a Reddit post that suggests there is a bug with the Windows profile having a space in the name. You can create a new profile and or update to the latest version, but I wanted to troubleshoot first. First thing I wanted to try was simply stopping the NetExtender process and reopening the SonicWall NetExtender app. The same issue appears. So next, let's look at the SonicWall NetExtender Service. If we scroll down to where it says SonicWall NetExtender Service, we can see that for some reason the service is set to manual startup. Let's start the service and set it to automatic. We'll minimize the service's MMC and we can now see that the NetExtender app now appears functional. We can add back in our VPN settings and test connectivity, and everything appears functional. And finally, we can close and reopen NetExtender just to make sure the app does not display the service message again. Thank you for watching, and hit the like and subscribe button. Let me know if this information was helpful fixing the SonicWall NetExtender Service does not respond issue in the comments. See you in the next video, and let's ninja fix it.